Picture this, a plate of stir-fried noodles vibrant with colors, bursting with flavors, and a tantalizing aroma that wafts through the air, beckoning you. Yes, that's Pad Thai. Now let's take a step back in time to the era of World War II. This was when the Pad Thai we know and love today was born. Thailand, like many other countries, was facing food shortages. The government needed to create a dish that was nutritious, affordable, and easy to make. And so Pad Thai, with its simple, readily available ingredients, was introduced. It was a dish that was not only to feed the masses, but also to instill a sense of national unity and identity during a difficult time. And what started as a strategy for survival soon became a national dish, a symbol of Thailand's culinary heritage. But what makes Pad Thai so special? It's the harmonious blend of a few simple yet powerful ingredients. The base is rice noodles, thin and delicate, providing a canvas for the flavors to dance upon. Then comes the protein, traditionally tofu or shrimp, adding texture and depth to the dish. Bean sprouts lend a refreshing crunch, while peanuts offer a nutty richness. However, it's the magic ingredient, tamarind paste, that truly transforms the dish. Tamarind, with its sweet, sour, and slightly tangy flavor, infuses the noodles and gives Pad Thai its distinctive taste. And let's not forget the lime, a squeeze of which brightens up the dish, cutting through the richness and adding a zesty tang. Everything is stir-fried together, creating a symphony of flavors. Each ingredient retains its identity, yet they all come together in perfect harmony, creating a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. Pad Thai, a symphony of flavors, is a testament to the rich and diverse culinary landscape of Thailand. And it's a dish that continues to captivate food lovers around the world, with its alluring aroma and vibrant flavors, inviting everyone to savor a piece of Thailand's culinary history. From the land of smiles, we journey to the world of spices with Thai green curry. Our culinary expedition today takes us deep into the heart of Thai cuisine, where we uncover the spice saga of the green curry. Originating from central Thailand, this dish has become a symbol of the country's rich and diverse culinary tradition. The green curry, or as it's known in Thai, Gang Q1, translates to sweet green curry. But don't be fooled by its name. This dish is as spicy as it is aromatic. The green curry's uniqueness lies in its ingredients. The star of the show is the green curry paste, a fragrant blend of green chilies, garlic, lemongrass, and other herbs and spices. This paste is the heart and soul of the dish, imbuing it with its distinctive green color and fiery heat. Next, we have creamy coconut milk that adds a touch of sweetness, balancing out the spiciness of the curry paste. Then come the bamboo shoots, providing a delightful crunch and absorbing the curry's flavors like a sponge. Finally, the dish is garnished with Thai basil, which lends an anise-like fragrance that's truly unforgettable. Now let's discuss the preparation method. The green curry paste is first sautéed in oil to release its flavors. Then coconut milk is added, followed by meat, typically chicken or beef, and bamboo shoots. The curry is slowly simmered until the meat is tender and the flavors are well combined. Once off the heat, it's sprinkled with a handful of fresh Thai basil leaves. The end result? A bowl of green curry that's a harmony of flavors: spicy, sweet, creamy, and aromatic. This dish is usually served with steamed jasmine rice, its mild flavor providing the perfect backdrop for the curry's intense taste. So, the next time you're in the mood for a culinary adventure, remember the Thai green curry. Its complex flavors and spicy kick are sure to set your taste buds on a thrilling ride. The green curry, with its complex flavors and spicy kick, is sure to set your taste buds on a thrilling ride. In the dessert realm of Thai cuisine, there's a sweet surrender waiting: the mango sticky rice. This dish is not just a dessert, it's a cultural symbol, a celebration of Thailand's bountiful harvests, and a testament to the country's culinary creativity. The origin of mango sticky rice, or khao niao mamwang as it's known locally, can be traced back to royal Thai cuisine. It's a dish that was once reserved for special occasions and festivals, but thankfully it's now a staple in Thai households and street food stalls, ready to be savored anytime the craving strikes. The magical trio that makes this dessert are ripe, juicy mangoes, sticky glutinous rice, and rich, creamy coconut milk. Each ingredient playing a vital role in creating this symphony of flavors and textures. The mangoes, with their intoxicating sweetness and juicy flesh, are the star of the show. The glutinous rice, soaked overnight and then steamed, provides a satisfying chewy texture. And finally, the coconut milk, simmered with a touch of sugar and salt until it turns into a creamy sauce, adds a lusciousness that ties everything together. Now let's delve into the preparation of this dessert. First, the glutinous rice is soaked overnight to soften the grains. The next day, it's steamed until tender. While the rice cooks, the coconut milk is heated on the stove with a bit of sugar and salt, forming a sweet and savory sauce that will later be poured over the cooked rice, allowing it to absorb all the flavors. The mangoes, preferably of the Nam Dak Mai or Ok Rong variety, are then peeled and sliced. The ripe mango slices, the creamy coconut-infused rice, and a final drizzle of the remaining coconut sauce are then beautifully assembled on a plate. Often a sprinkle of mung beans or sesame seeds are added on top for a bit of crunch. Mango sticky rice, a delightful harmony of sweet and creamy, is the perfect ending to any Thai meal. Its simplicity belies the depth of flavors it delivers, making it a dessert that you'll never forget and always crave for. A true sweet surrender indeed. To the uninitiated, Tom Yum soup is a flavor-packed surprise waiting to explode in your mouth. This dish, a culinary symphony of flavors, hails from the heart of Thailand and is loved by locals and foreigners alike. The name Tom Yum itself is a direct reflection of what it is. Tom refers to the boiling process, and Yum signifies the spicy and sour flavors. This soup is a testament to the ingenuity of Thai cooking, where every ingredient has a purpose and nothing is wasted. Let's dive into the key ingredients that make this dish so special. Shrimp, the star of the show, gives the soup its depth of flavor and textural contrast. Then comes the lemongrass, a staple in Thai cuisine, whose citrusy notes add a fresh, vibrant layer to the soup. Galangal, a relative of ginger, lends a unique, spicy kick, while kaffir lime leaves contribute a burst of tanginess. Now let's talk about the preparation. The process is as beautiful as the soup itself. It begins with a flavorful broth made from shrimp heads and shells, lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. This aromatic concoction is simmered gently, allowing each ingredient to lend its unique character to the soup. The shrimp and mushrooms are added later, cooked just right, to preserve their delicate textures. A final flourish of lime juice, fish sauce, and chili peppers are added to balance the flavors, creating a soup that is tangy, spicy, and a little bit sweet. But Tom Yum soup isn't just about flavors, it's about the experience. It's about the comforting warmth that envelops you with each spoonful, the way the heat from the chilies tingles your tongue, the citrusy aroma that wafts up from the bowl, and the satisfaction of slurping up the last drop. Tom Yum soup, with its tangy, spicy, and fragrant notes, is a dish that truly embodies the spirit of Thai cuisine. It's a delectable journey through Thailand's rich gastronomic landscape, a journey that leaves you wanting more. Let's crunch into the world of Thai appetizers with Thai spring rolls. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, one dish you'll find common across the length and breadth of Thailand is the delightful Thai spring roll. A delightful appetizer, Thai spring rolls have journeyed through time and history, carrying with them the flavors and traditions of Thai cuisine. These golden parcels of joy have their origins steeped in Chinese culinary practices, making their way into Thai food culture through centuries of cultural exchange. Today they stand as a testament to Thailand's ability to adapt and make something entirely their own. The beauty of Thai spring rolls lies in their simplicity and versatility. The list of ingredients is humble yet vibrant, each playing a crucial role in bringing the dish together. The star of the show is the delicate rice paper that forms the casing for the spring roll. Lightweight, translucent, and pliable, it's the perfect canvas to paint with flavors. Beneath this crunchy exterior, a medley of ingredients awaits. Vermicelli noodles form the base, providing a soft texture against the crunch of the roll. A variety of vegetables like carrots, cabbage, and bean sprouts add a refreshing crunch, while herbs like mint and cilantro impart a burst of freshness. But what's a Thai spring roll without its iconic dipping sauce? A balance of sweet and sour, this sauce is a flavor bomb that elevates the spring roll to new heights. Made with tamarind, fish sauce, sugar, and a dash of chili, it's a roller coaster of flavors that truly encapsulates the spirit of Thai cuisine. Creating these rolls is an art in itself. Each ingredient is carefully encased in the rice paper, wrapped tightly to ensure a perfect crunch with every bite. Then, they are quickly deep-fried until they reach a beautiful golden brown. Thai spring rolls with their crunchy exterior and flavorful filling are a feast for the senses. From the first bite, the crunch of the exterior gives way to the soft, flavorful filling, creating an unforgettable culinary experience. It's no wonder these crispy delights have become an integral part of Thai cuisine, beloved by locals and tourists alike. Our culinary journey through Thailand has been a feast of flavors, colors, and textures. We embarked on a tantalizing adventure, tasting some of the most popular dishes that Thailand has to offer. Our first stop was the alluring aroma of pad Thai. This stir-fried noodle dish, often served as a street food, is a symphony of flavors, combining sweet, sour, and spicy notes. The crunch of peanuts, the tang of tamarind, and the freshness of lime and cilantro come together in a perfect harmony that is pad Thai. Next, we dove into the spice saga of green curry. This dish, with its vibrant green hue, is a testament to Thailand's love affair with herbs and spices. Infused with the heat of green chilies, the depth of coconut milk, and the fragrance of Thai basil, green curry is a dish that warms your heart and soul. Then came the sweet surrender of mango sticky rice. This dessert, a beautiful contrast of textures and flavors, is a popular treat in Thailand. The sweetness of ripe mango, the creaminess of coconut milk, and the chewy texture of sticky rice create a dessert experience that is truly unforgettable. Our journey continued with the flavorful symphony of tom yum soup. This hot and sour soup, loaded with shrimp, mushrooms, and fragrant herbs, is a Thai classic. It's a soup that not only soothes your palate, but also your soul. Finally, we experienced the crunch delight of Thai spring rolls. These crispy golden rolls filled with a medley of vegetables and served with a tangy dipping sauce are a staple in Thai cuisine. They are the perfect appetizer, snack, or side dish, offering a crunch that is oh so satisfying. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, every Thai dish tells a story. A story of tradition, culture, and a love for food that transcends borders.